Welcome back. This morning in studio we have a very special guest. Come and tell us about a very special event that's going on right now. Yeah. Tara Herenick from the Ronald McDonald House in Joplin joining us to tell us about the it's the Gift of Light, Gift of Love program.
Yes, it's our 21st annual Gift of Light, Gift of Love.
Wow.
I know, wow.
It's years?
Right. Yes, 21 years. It's, it's been an evolution. We started out at the mall, then we moved to the theater, and a few years ago, we brought this event home to
which makes sense.
34th and Jackson. Exactly. That's what we said. It needs to be at home. And so we have brought the Christmas tree to Ronald McDonald House.
Okay, so is it outdoors, indoors, or how does it work?
It is outdoors. We have a tree, but what we really have is an electrical spectacle. Our grounds are lit up. So
who needs streetlights when you have
exactly you don't.
Yeah.
We could light the whole area, and it's so wonderful. It's kind of that light at the end of a dark tunnel for our families as they leave the hospital and come back to Ronald McDonald House. It's just bright. There are big lit presents, reindeer, stars, angels, Christmas ornaments, just everything you think about with Christmas is on our lawn, and then the house is just spectacular with the lights.
Well, and it's a good time, and it's a way to, well, we're showing some lights.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, you can see the display. That's awesome. One thing it's part of a campaign. It's lighting up the knowledge that you guys need funding. This is how you operate.
This is how we operate. This is our largest fundraiser of the year that we do. We've set a very big goal this year of $200,000. So we are 70% of the way there.
Wow.
So yes, so we have a few more weeks left. So we know we can do this with the help of all the wonderful people that choose to donate to us. And what's really neat about Gift of Light, Gift of Love now, it's not just one night where we used to light the tree. Now it's, from Thanksgiving through Christmas, the lights are on, even actually up till the first of the year. But people can also go to our website, which is rmhjoplin.org, and they get to meet our feature family that's on this right there, the Merritt family.
Awesome.
They get to see some wonderful performances by a lot of local talent. We've got dancers, we've got singers. And so every week we release a new video so people can go and continually see the different
A lot
things
of changes on the site all the time.
And see what's going
That's
on.
cool.
It makes it a part of the holiday all year or all season long. And then they can also donate there on the website.
Just because the house is in Joplin doesn't mean that you're just servicing Joplin. Like,
Exactly.
I think I read that the city that has the most visits to the Ronald McDonald House is actually Pittsburgh.
It is.
In Kansas.
It is, yes. Pittsburgh is the #1 city we serve for families with seriously ill children. So yes, they it's around 388 families have called us home during this time from
just
from
last
Pittsburgh
year?
from in the time we've been open.
Oh, in the time you've been
almost
open.
25 years.
Wow,
But yeah,
that's a lot
but
of
that
families.
also doesn't include the Girard, the Frontenac, so all of that area as well. So yes, this area in southeast Kansas, we serve a lot of families because you don't want to have to be driving that 30 minutes back and forth to
Oklahoma
your
and
child. In
Arkansas,
Oklahoma
like, you
and
serve the whole
Arkansas,
four-state area.
we've served 38 different states.
Wow.
And 2 foreign countries. So yeah, so when people choose to donate to Ronald McDonald House, they're helping families of those seriously ill children all around this area, not just right there in
That
Joplin.
money stays
So
local in Joplin. It stays local, but it's helping families basically around the world.
It does. It does. So yeah, that's where we're located, but we're there for that family no matter where they're, if their teenagers had a car wreck and he's in college and they're in Columbia, they can come stay with us, or that premature infant that mom's delivers in Oklahoma, and then they bring the baby up. So whoever they are, wherever they are, we're there for them.
And one more time, where can people go to make that donation?
They can go to rmhjoplin.org, and right on the top, there's a Gift of Light, Gift of Love banner. If they just click on that, they can go see the performances, see some photos, and donate.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
We'll be right back.